Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use your Easypaisa without your app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use your Easypaisa without app, simply open your dial pad and type *786#. This is for Telenor users, and if you are not a Telenor user, type in *2262#. This number is for all the Ufone and Jazz users. So once you type it in, you can simply dial it and then you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So once the USSD code is run down, you will end up in another interface which is basically like this. So here simply type in number 2 and select it, as selecting number 1 will let you use your new number as your EasyPay account. So once you have selected number 2, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply type in 2, as there you can see Easypaisa as an option. So once you type it 2 and hit the send button, you can simply use and access the Easypaisa account without even having an app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.